Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner in legal, financial, and HR compliance services for modern businesses. Today, we're talking about an essential HR document that forms the foundation of every professional work relationship, the appointment letter. Whether you're hiring a new employee, an executive, or a consultant, having a legally sound and well-drafted appointment letter ensures clarity, compliance, and long-term trust. Why appointment letters matter. An appointment letter is more than just an offer. It's a formal agreement between the employer and the employee, outlining job responsibilities, compensation, legal terms, and mutual expectations. At Filings Corner, we specialize in drafting clear, compliant, and professionally structured appointment letters that are customized to your hiring needs and aligned with employment laws, HR policies, and industry best practices. Why choose Filings Corner? So why do companies choose Filings Corner for appointment letter drafting? Because we offer legally sound documentation covering all the essential terms and conditions of employment, full compliance with labor laws, internal HR policies, and regulatory standards. Tailored formats for different roles, whether it's a full-time employee, consultant, executive, or even a contractual staff member. And most importantly, we focus on clarity and transparency to help you avoid misunderstandings or disputes later on. Plus, our turnaround time is fast, so your hiring process stays on track without delays. What we include in a professionally drafted appointment letter. Here's what you can expect in an appointment letter crafted by Filings Corner. We define the job role and responsibilities in clear, actionable terms. We lay out the compensation structure, covering salary, incentives, benefits, PF, insurance, and other allowances. We include probation and confirmation clauses, detailing performance criteria and company policies for confirmation. Next, we outline work hours, leave policies, and remote or hybrid work terms. We also include termination conditions and notice periods, making exit policies clear for both employer and employee. And we don't stop there. We add critical clauses for confidentiality, data protection, and intellectual property rights, ensuring your company's sensitive information and innovations stay protected. Our appointment letters also include non-compete and non-solicitation clauses to prevent unfair competition or client poaching after employment ends. And for full legal backing, we add dispute resolution mechanisms and define the applicable jurisdiction and employment laws. Custom clauses for your unique needs. Every business is different, so we offer additional customizable clauses based on your needs. This can include travel or relocation policies, performance-based incentive terms, remote work and hybrid guidelines, workplace safety protocols, or even severance and retirement benefits. We adapt the agreement to fit your company's structure and hiring goals. Call to action, strong professional close. Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get your customized appointment letter drafted by our expert team. Filings Corner. Securing your HR documentation, empowering your workplace.